Welcome to the NCTC Recipe of the Month. Nan Montgomery is on vacation this month, but I'm here with you. I am Colby Dye, the Extension Agent for Ag and Natural Resources here in Allen County. And today I'm joined by Mr. Jason Phillips. He is the Extension Agent for Ag and Natural Resources in Simpson County.
Thanks for having me.
No problem.
Great to be here.
So we've got us a little bit of a cook wild recipe today. It's a little bit different from what you're usually used to seeing, but these cook wild recipes provided by the University of Kentucky in conjunction with the Fish and Wildlife Department here are some great recipes that you can have throughout the year. So Jason, we got a little bit of crappie with us today to do a recipe.
I've utilized a lot of these recipes and they're very good. I'm excited to prepare this recipe today involving crappie that was caught this spring. So fresh crappie. And it doesn't get much better than that.
Absolutely. So how are we going to get started with this right here?
Well, we're going to go ahead and put our Cajun seasoning on first. So we're just going to sprinkle our crappie and just evenly distribute this Cajun seasoning across our crappie fillets. And this is about a pound. So we weighed this out and it's about a pound of crappie fillets that we're going to be preparing in this cook wild recipe today.
And to go along with that, we've got some great fresh vegetables here to go along with our fish. We've got 2 medium squash, we've got 2 cups of broccoli, a medium onion, and then we've got some olive oil and some pepper for some seasoning, as well as we're going to finish it off with a little bit of lemon. So now that we've got our fish all seasoned up, we're going to get our skillet here. We're going to bring it over to our burner. We're going to get our oil down in the pan.
And these recipes do a great job of walking you through step by step. So we've got this on medium heat.
And now we're going to incorporate our vegetables here. Got some onion down, some broccoli down, and some nice fresh squash. And a lot of this fresh squash right here, a lot of people are starting to get this in season. So some fresh caught summer fish and some fresh grown summer vegetables.
Yes, always good. Fresh is the best.
So we're going to get this seasoned up with a little bit of fresh black pepper. We're going to mix that around in our pan here, and then we're going to get our lid on here. We're going to let it cover up for about 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. Welcome back to your recipe of the month. We have got our vegetables cooked down a little bit. We've got those going, and now we've both washed our hands, and we're going to get this fish on here to get that fish started cooking.
And we're just going to place these fillets on top of our vegetables. Again, this is 1 pound of crappie.
And this will be a good chance to mix those Cajun flavors with our vegetable flavors and get it all nice and incorporated for when we come back and we've got our finished product for you.
Oh, that looks nice.
That looks really good. So we're going to give that a cover back up. We're going to let that go for 15 minutes and we'll be right back with the finished product. Welcome back to the recipe of the month. We've got it all plated up here. We've got it done cooking. We're going to take our lid off here and see how we've got it. Looking great. Lots of great smells coming from this right here, and we're actually going to add our last little bit. We're going to have Jason here add a little bit of lemon juice for an extra zest of flavor.
It looks great, and I'm telling you what, those aromas are just, it's making me really hungry.
And this is a great recipe. Like I said, this is from the Cook Wild series we have here at our office. There's probably a good 30 or 40 other recipes with all kinds of wild game, and a lot of them you could even substitute hamburger meat or other things if you just want to follow on the recipe but change the meat a little bit. But this is one of our Cook Wild recipes that we have here at the office.
And thanks so much for having me today. I'm just really glad to be here and really glad to take part in this recipe.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for catching our fish and providing it for us.
For sure, any day.
So thank you guys for watching this episode here. If you'd like to see this recipe, you can contact Barry at NCTC, or you can go online and Google Plan, Eat, Move, and it'll be under the Cook Wild Recipe series on our website there. Thanks for watching, and Nan will be back next month with you guys.